Alright, what's going on, guys? Dan or AK Numbers back again with another Minecraft Let's Play. I think it's pretty obvious what we're doing today. I can't really find many videos reviewing this bike and or unboxing it, so that's what we're gonna do. A lot of people, you know what they do? They do it like this. This is how they fucking do the e-bike videos. Am I in frame?
Yeah.
I hate being fake for YouTube. I hate it. Alright, what's going on, guys? Dan or AK Numbers back again with another Minecraft Let's Play. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Ekx X20. This bike also goes under the name Frigo, but they don't actually sell this model under that brand, so either way, we're getting too complicated here. Alright, we got it unboxed. Honestly, opening up the top is extremely easy. It's just got these large staples, but I wanted to open it down the side so you guys could see how the bike comes in the box. That was a little bit more difficult. But now that it's open, holy crap. You know, looking at the photos online, it doesn't really look as high quality as any of like the Surons or like the E-Ride Pro, but when you have it up in person, like the brakes already came like pre-attached, so I'm not gonna have to worry about putting the disc brakes on. All I'm gonna do now is take the battery off, charge it up, throw that front tire on, spin the tire, spin the seat around. I was gonna say chair, but I guess that wouldn't really make sense. She's ready to go. It has a little box inside. I ended up already opening that up. It has the manual in there, along with the front headlight, which is pretty large. But now that I'm looking at it in person, it looks extremely high quality. You can't tell by looking at it online. Honestly, the videos and the photos really don't do it justice. This is a nice looking bike. Alright. What's going on, guys? So we did end up finishing the bike. It only took about 30 minutes or so. Honestly, including the time it took to get it out of the box, probably about like an hour, but it really was pretty quick to put together. Just had to throw the handlebars on and the front wheel there. Feels like I'm going through a wormhole. It's just like, whoa. Upon reviewing the website and seeing that the speed limit only went up to 33, there was definitely part of me that thought I should probably just go with the X21 Max, just so I'd have all of the speed out of the box. But after last night's ride, I have to say, I didn't even end up going as fast as this bike could go, and it was more than fast enough. I don't think you'd ever want to go faster than that. Honestly, it wouldn't even be safe if you were going faster than that. Let's be realistic. If you're on like a perfectly paved road, no bumps, you have like a helmet on and padding, yeah, you know, not too bad. But we're talking about real life, guys. If you're going 50 miles per hour on a bike like this, and you hit like a pothole or something, you're gonna go flying, and you're probably gonna get some bad road rash, maybe even a concussion. So, let's be realistic here, guys. 33 miles per hour is more than fast enough. And then honestly, we need to address another elephant in the room. Yes, the speed limit in the United States for e-bikes is typically 25 to 28 miles per hour. This bike going 33, does make it go 5 miles per hour to 10 miles per hour over the speed limit. However, nobody talks about this, apart from e-bike channels. We don't have legislators that are actually using their minds. So if you're a part of, the government, or you happen to make some laws, listen up so you can learn something. If the bike goes faster than the speed limit for e-bikes, that really doesn't matter, because once the battery is low, it won't be able to hit its max speed. Do you get that? If you have a 30 mile range bike, your bike goes 30 miles on a charge, for 20 of those miles, maybe 15, you'll be going max speed if you held down the throttle. But for the rest, you'd be going slower. So making bikes that go over the speed limit, fucking bug on me. Making bikes that go over the speed limit, and more so expecting riders to just follow the law and use common sense, is probably safer and more efficient than selling bikes that max out at the speed limit, and then once you get halfway through the battery, you're going 15 miles per hour.